Craving the flavors of warm, sugary churros but don't want to fry anything? This churro mug cake is fluffy, sweet, and ready in just minutes. It's soft, buttery, and coated in that classic cinnamon sugar goodness. The best part? You only need a mug and a few simple ingredients. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Give it a quick mix to blend all the dry ingredients together. This helps the baking powder spread evenly so your cake rises perfectly. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of melted butter or oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir it well until you have a smooth batter with no lumps. Microwave your mug on high for about 60 seconds. The cake should rise, be fluffy and slightly gooey in the center. While it's still warm, mix 1 teaspoon of sugar with a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon in a small bowl. For that classic churro coating, sprinkle it over the cake and press gently so it sticks, giving you that true churro flavor. Want to take it up a notch? Add a swirl of whipped cream on top and dust lightly with cinnamon sugar for a churro shop vibe. And that's it, a soft, fluffy churro mug cake in just minutes. Perfect for satisfying those churro cravings without leaving your kitchen. Try it out and tell me how you topped yours. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.